Yes, I have been told that I snore. My husband said that I am always snoring, especially when I'm on my back. I was getting up during the night several times. I did not feel rested when I awoke. After not being able to sleep the entire night and my husband complaining about my snoring and the fact that I felt better when I was on my back, I decided I needed to get some help. I asked Dr. Receveur if he would do an evaluation for me, and he agreed. I came to the office and was evaluated. An appliance was made, and as soon as I began using the appliance, I was only getting up once a night and sleeping very well, well rested when I woke, and felt much better during the day. My husband, he actually can tell me when it's time for me to change the band on the appliance. I'm not snoring anymore as long as the appliance, and I have the appliance in and my bands are up to date. Things are much, much better now. My energy level has improved. I believe my concentration is better. My patience, I'm not as agitated as I was before. I would highly recommend anyone thinking that they have sleep apnea or issue with snoring or lack of sleep to come to Dr. Receveur for an evaluation, as the appliance that he made for me has made all of the difference.